Do you want to make your content fresh and engaging? Then you will love VideoScribe. VideoScribe is a software for creating whiteboard animation. Now, what is whiteboard animation? Whiteboard animation is a process where a story with pictures get drawn on a school whiteboard or white background. Studies after studies show that animation is a great way to attract viewers, capture their attention, and get the message across. And statistics also says that adding a product video on your landing page can increase conversion by 80%, and you can use VideoScribe for various purposes, include marketing, like to deliver presentation and improve knowledge retention, or you can use it for educational purpose, like upload summary of book on YouTube and get millions of views, or you can even do freelancing and earn good amount of money from that. But there are many whiteboard animation software in market. So what makes VideoScribe different from others? Number one, very easy to use. Like you will be able to create your own professional video with little or no technical skills. Number two, very fast to make. By VideoScribe, you will be able to create your videos in minutes, not weeks. The end result can be even better than what the professional delivers. You will get many features in VideoScribe, like you will be able to select many types of hand, or you can make your own hand, draw your images, and you can record your own audio directly with VideoScribe and use it in your video, or import audio exported from another program.